So I was at work and it was about 11 o'clock in the morning. I was waiting for a meeting to start and I got a text message on my phone. So I looked down at it, see who it was, and I had made a $900 commission. And the crazy part was I didn't work my business that day because I was obviously in the office doing my day job, right? And it absolutely blew my mind because here I am at my day job doing my time, but I was still making money from my online business. And what I want to do in today's video is kind of go over how does that stuff happen? Because I know it sounds like too good to be true, and obviously it is. It's freaking amazing. But I know from the outside in, it's just, how is that possible? And I know it sounds impossible because we're so used to going to a job and getting paid. And if we don't go to a job, we don't get paid. However, when you have an online business in 2026 and you have specific things in place, stories like what I've described can be a reality for you. But again, you have to have the certain things in place for that to happen. But it's actually pretty simple once you get the general concept. So I'm going to go over a couple things that you need in order for this to happen for you. And then at the end, I'll share exactly what I'm doing personally and show you what I have set up so you can replicate what I'm doing. So if you're new here, my name is Kim, 54 years old, a mom of 5, grandma of 1. In fact, my grandson just turned 1 last month. Crazy, time is flying. But I'm going to be honest with you, I'm so burned out of corporate America. And I know that there are a lot of people that are watching this video that are as well. And that's what led me to start an online business in the first place, because I've been in corporate America for over 25, 30 years and I'm getting older, right? And my husband had a heart attack last year, and that's when I really got a kick in the butt to be like, I need to make some changes, because looking at our retirement, we were super short for retirement and I had to do something. Otherwise, I'd be working a job for the rest of my life. And I didn't want that. And I knew starting a business was going to be not difficult, but I think what makes it hard is putting in the extra time, right? Because we're already exhausted coming home from our 9 to 5s. And the last thing we want to do is spend another 8 hours on the computer, right? So I made a deal with myself. I was going to look for something that I can't do that anymore. I cannot stay up past 11 o'clock. I really can't. And if I do, I get a migraine the next day. So the first thing you need, if you want to make money online, have your own business, you need a product to sell, right? You have to sell something. It could be a physical product, it can be a digital product, it can be your own product. Now, if you want to make the most money, what you want to do is maybe shy away from the physical products, because then you have shipping costs, right? But if you make jewelry, I get it. You certainly have to ship that stuff out. So if you want to make the most money that you can, you want to try to pick a product where you are eliminating the shipping costs. Number 2, with your product, you want to make sure it's something that is trending, something that's in high demand. Because if you're promoting a product that people aren't even looking for and they don't want, chances are you're not going to make any sales with it. Now, what I recommend is digital products, because they are absolutely hot right now. The e-learning industry is exploding. And again, when you deliver a product that is digital, it's not going to cost you anything for shipping. It's not going to cost you anything for shipping. And the best part is you can deliver this worldwide. And I know it's so crazy, because just to think that we can have our own business from our homes, yet have a worldwide business, absolutely blows my mind. So number 2, what you need to figure out how to promote your new product that you're selling. Now, a lot of people do this using social media. Some people do this using paid ads. Paid ads, if you have no idea what you're doing, I do not recommend it, because you're going to be wasting a ton of money. I shouldn't say that. Some people get lucky and they figure it out right away. I was not one of those people. Okay, I definitely was not one of those people. So unless you have thousands of dollars per month to spend on ads, I recommend don't do it. Because with the way social media is, it's free. If you learn the right way, you can use social media and market your product absolutely free, which is so freaking cool. Now, a lot of people get online and they do this the wrong way. I was one of those people. I used to go onto Facebook. I used to cold DM people. And in fact, way back when, I used to go on LinkedIn and cold call realtors. Oh gosh, that was so awful. Literally talk to them on the phone. Highly recommend do not do that. So there's a term that's called attraction marketing. What that means is you create content on social media, can be on any kind of platform that you want. And what you're doing is that social media platform pushes your content out to your perfect customer. Now, when your perfect customer sees your video, they may decide to take action and actually purchase your product. So because social media is pushing my content out to people, they're actually doing the hard work for me, which is what I love. Because all I have to do is spend an hour or so creating content every single day, and the social media platform is going to be pushing that content out to my perfect buyer 24 hours a day. Because here's the thing, you can have the best product in the world, but if you do not have any customers, you will be out of business just as quickly as you started. Now, number 3 thing, that you need systems in place to be able to have that customer purchase from you without you having to intervene, right? So there are people that sell products online, but in order to make that sale, the customer has to pick up the phone and talk to the person that's selling the product. So you can imagine, if you want to start an online business, obviously you want to get to the point where you're having 5 sales a day, 10 sales a day, maybe even 100 sales a day. Can you imagine having to take 100 phone calls from people that want to buy your stuff, right? That would be exhausting, and you pretty much need a call center to do that. But if you have a way, like if you have a website, kind of like Amazon, right? When you purchase on Amazon, you search for your product, you click add to cart, you can check out and pay without any human intervention. And believe it or not, when you sell a product online, you can have your system set up the same way. Now, if you put these 3 steps together, which is what I did, that's how I was able to earn $900 while I was at work without working my business that day. Because what happened was someone saw one of my videos, they went to my website to get more information, they were intrigued, and they bought, all with me not having to do anything except making that initial video and upload it to social media. And I know it's definitely easier. It's definitely easier. It's harder than it sounds, because the hard part is for the marketing aspect, for creating content on social media, you're going to need a little bit of training. And a lot of people just aren't willing to do that part, which is why a lot of people don't succeed in making money online. But if you are someone that is burned out in corporate America, if you've been in corporate America for a number of years, you have the skills to be able to start and build an online business. Because I look at it this way. You were brand new at your job one day, right? Way back when, probably, right? You learned the skill. Day one, you knew nothing about your job. But as the days moved on and you got more and more training, you started to get really good at your job. To the point that you didn't have to ask questions anymore. To the point that maybe people are now asking you questions. This is no different when you have the right pieces in place. If you can excel at your job, you can excel with an online business. You just have to believe that you can. And again, in the beginning of this video, I talked about how if I did nothing, I'd be working a job for the rest of my life. So I had no choice. I had to find something else to do. And I've done a lot of the side hustles out there. And all they were was earning an extra $15 here, $20 there. I was tired of that. So you can do a couple things right now. You can go on YouTube and try to piecemeal this all together and figure it out yourself. Or you can grab my free blueprint in the description below that's going to outline what I just talked about. And it's also going to introduce you to the program that I use that allowed me to earn while at work without even having to do anything. That day, of course. Obviously, days leading up to that, I was actually working. But here's the thing. This isn't any get-rich-quick thing. You have to put in the time to learn, and you have to put in the time to follow the training and do what it says. And I guarantee you, if you can be successful at your day job, you can do this too. And you know what? Maybe you get more information and you decide it's not for you. Totally cool. No hard feelings. But then there are some of you that will say to yourself, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I've been looking for. Because here's the thing, that $900 that I earned, I only work an additional 1 to 2 hours a day. That's it. And the cool thing is I can do this during my lunch break at my day job, which I think is pretty freaking cool. So if you want more information, click on the link in the description below, and I'll see you on the next video.